cramps, fatigue, bloating. Oh, don't forget about the mood swings, irritability. Well, we all know getting our period can be a painful experience. I'm going to be sharing 5 hacks to ease your PMS symptoms in partnership with the Naturel Company. So the first and most easy way to ease the pain is to grab a hot water bottle. Don't have one? Just grab a glass container, fill it with some hot water, and then wrap a towel around it. The warm water will help relax your muscles and reduce pain. Secondly, take Naturel Immunotherapy tablets, which I love, and it provides your body with nutrients and vitamins that help restore hormonal balance from PMS symptoms. Take 2 tablets daily, preferably with a meal. Try stretching and meditation for reducing fatigue, mood swings, and irritability. Another way to ease cramps is to eat fruits and veggies and drink some smoothies, or you could just have some green tea. Green smoothies help replenish essential minerals for an easier period and regulate bowel movement. Sure to reduce your salt intake and get some rest. You need it. The Naturel Company is a women's owned small business that gives back to women. Be sure to check out Amazon to try out the PMS immunotherapy tablets and let me know what you think.